Hello, Sam here. Welcome back to the Code Cove. Have I got a treat for you? Over the next 4 weeks, I'll be releasing tutorials on some 90s inspired projects. They will all be created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's look at the projects we'll be making together. First up, we got our pixel art generator. This is our first project. This web app will allow the user to upload a photo, scale it up and down in size, and then also choose how pixelated they want the image to be. I have uploaded Asteroid Dodger as some text and I want it to be pixelated but enough that we can actually read it. And this can also be handy for like making backgrounds or doing it what I've done with it and just making some cool fonts or just making some images look a bit pixelated. So we click save video and then it goes straight to our downloads. Right, so I actually needed this for our next project. So our next project is, if you guessed it, Asteroid Dodger. This game is made using HTML, Canvas and JavaScript. The idea of the game is, as it suggests, you're a spaceship and you just got to dodge these asteroids. The score is based on how many asteroids have been spawned while you've been alive, and you can even shoot. There's sound effects on this game, and also if you want to mute it you can, so if you listen to music it doesn't mess up your vibe. Speaking of music, our next project is a song creator. This project allows the user to create their own song by looping different tracks. Each track that I've used is about 4 to 8 seconds long and they just continuously loop until you unclick them. You can upload your own loops when we make this. I personally got mine off of Pixel Bay. The user can use these to create their own story and their own kind of vibe. Speaking of stories, the 90s Coder Starter Pack wouldn't be complete without a text-based adventure. So I've created one called The Average Life. I'm not much of a storyteller and I didn't really want to do another dungeon-based text game. So I've gone for the most average story here, but based on real events, so, you know, spooky. In this text adventure, you are in a supermarket and you don't have a list. And oh no, how are you going to figure out what you want to eat without a list? The idea is to go around the store, not get distracted, and manage to get all the ingredients to make a whole meal. There's different aisles and just random stuff you can pick up along the way. Once you have enough for a meal, you can go home, eat, and then the game is over and you have won. You can add your own story, and I really hope you do because this is such an average story. But it's just to show you the skills you need to make a text-based adventure using JavaScript. And that is it. So that's our 4 projects that we'll be doing over the next 4 weeks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the first project. Bye.